Last one I had a call from a guy. He's got an LP tank. He's got a generator hooked to it and a little gas fireplace that he wants disconnected. So I'm going to go there and disconnect the gas line outside to that fireplace. I don't really need to go in the house for that, so it might be a quickie. See what's going on with it. Alright, so this is the generator here that runs over. This line here runs to the generator. This must be the one going in the house. So this be a simple fix. Just get a cap for that right there and cap it. I should have one of them in the truck. That's what, half-inch old D. Either that or just take that T out right there. Right, and just go right into there with that. That's what I'm going to do, just take that T right out of this equation. That's the best thing. Just going to disconnect it here and put some kind of cap on it or something. I'll do something with it. Yeah guys, I got a half-inch flare cap. I can just take that nut off and put that cap right on there. And just leave the regulator there for in case you need it later. That's what I'm going to do. You never know. Need a bigger wrench, Ma. Need a bigger wrench. Here it comes. He says he's got nothing else in there but the fireplace that he's taking out anyway, so. It's all coming out anyway, he said, so I'll break it right off. Not being used. Turn it back on and check for leaks. It's leak detector. And that's it. As long as it don't leak, we're good. The generator will start itself up, electronic spark. That's it. I just broke that piece off. He's not using it no more. It's a done deal. That's what he wanted me to do. That's it. It's done. You doing a dance? Are you doing a dance? Oh, I know it. You doing a dance? You just want a lick. pushover. Come on. What is it? What is it? What is it? You miss me? Oh, I know it.